Why is it important to have professional partners when you're exiting your business? So let me explain this so that you understand what I'm talking about. Many times when we have a business that is going to go live and go up for sale, so there's a lot of things that go on in the back end, meaning the business has to be presented so that when the buyer looks at all the documents and the financial data, they feel very confident and they feel great. And they're like, yes, this looks great. I want to buy this business, blah, blah, blah. Can I see the tax returns to match the P&Ls? And they match, and it's like, it's all glory, right? And sorry, I was checking my earrings. They keep falling off. That is why you need professional partners. Now, does that mean you had to buy expensive partners or, participate with expensive partners? No, it doesn't. It means that if you are using an accounting system, do you have an accountant that's going through everything maybe once a month, once a quarter, making sure everything's clean and everything works out great? If you're doing taxes, maybe you're using a tax accountant or a tax bookkeeper, somebody that is a professional within the tax, so that they're making sure that they file those taxes correctly and there's no liens against you or judgments or things like that, or anything that's going to cause some question about your business. This is what I mean by working with professional partners, because you want to make sure that everything that you present is credible. And a lot of times the best way to show credibility is to have someone that you hire do the different various things, because again, it's accountability, right? Checks and balance. It's accountability. And that's what you want, because I will tell you, if you put your business up for sale, people will poke around at your numbers. That's what they do. That's probably the biggest thing that people look at or kind of rip apart is the numbers. And the best way to show the credibility within your numbers is to make sure that someone is doing your books that's other than you, right? Someone other than you. And it can be a mom who is an accountant or a sister who also is a CPA or something like that. They're in the industry and you're using them because you're not going to pay a premium for them, but they are helping you out. So that's okay, because they're professionals and they're helping you out. Okay. But as far as the taxes, I've come across situations where the business hadn't filed a tax return in 3 years or 2 years. And so those things do need to happen. And those little nuances need to be buttoned up. Otherwise, again, you're opening yourself up for someone to poke around and question every little nuance and expense that you have. So just be aware that it is great to have professional partners with you. And I would suggest at least 3 years going into the sale of your business, because that legitimizes, and those people are going to look at 3 years, the past 3 years. The bank's going to look at 3 years. And so they want those records and those documents clean, and they want them to be true blue. So keep that in mind and think about that as you're running your business and you're thinking about exiting or selling. I know a lot of times when I talk to business owners, they're like, well, my books aren't that clean. Okay, well, just pull a P&L and we'll see how clean are they, right? I mean, I'm not going to go tell the IRS or anything, right? Hey, I'm Kat Ramirez, CEO and founder of 10X Business Broker. If you're thinking about selling your business, reach out to me. I offer free consultations to help you out and give you some direction. You got this.